question number is 6. What is the question? I have written 1 x minus 1, then minus 1 divided by x plus 1 minus 2, this is x square plus 1, and then is minus 4 divided by x power 4 minus 1. This is very important question. I have seen many times in the board paper, so keep it as a important question, but that is very simple question. So what we have, there are the 4 terms. We have already done a 3 terms question. So this is a 4 term, and what we have to do, we will take first 2 terms and simplify them. So I will take these 2 terms and simplify them. Take the LCM. This is your x minus 1 into x plus 1. So this x minus 1 is cancelled with x minus. So 1 is multiplied with x plus 1. So result is x plus 1. Minus, keep the bracket. This x plus 1 cancel with x plus 1. What is left? X minus 1 is multiplied with x minus 1. So next is x plus 1. I will open the sign. So it will open the bracket, it will change the sign. This minus x and plus 1 divided by x. This is the formula a minus b into a plus b. So it becomes your a square minus b square. So here is, this will be cancelled with this one. So 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by x square minus 1. What I have done, I have solved these 2 terms. So result is in. Next I will take the third term, which is 2 divided by x square plus 1. Now take the again LCM, which is very simple, x square minus 1 into x square plus 1. So what is this? X square minus 1 cancel with this one. What is left? X square plus 1 is multiplied with 2. This is your x square plus 1. Next minus this x square plus 1 cancel with x square 1. What is left? X square minus 2 is multiplied with this one, x square minus 1. So 2 multiply with this term, it becomes 2x square. 2 multiply by plus 1, it becomes 2. Keep the bracket here. This is minus 2. So when minus 2 multiply with x square minus 2x square, when minus 2 multiply with minus 2, minus minus become positive divided by 2. There is, again there is a formula a square minus b, a square plus b. So what is this? A minus b, a plus b. But in that case, a term is your x square. So what we will do, I will write it here. But I will write it here. What is x square plus 1, x square minus 1. It will be, a term is this one. This is your b term. Same, this is your a term. This is your b term. There is a plus. There is a minus. So a square minus b square. So in that case, a term is your this one. Keep it as, there is x power 2. First x power 2 and there is a power. Again a term is your x power 2 and there is a power 2 minus b term is simple 1. X power 4 minus 1. So what is the result? X power 4 minus 1. So what is this? This will be cancelled. Plus 2 become 4 divided by x power 4 minus 1. Now there is a last term, which is minus 4 divided by x power 4 minus 1. Next, take the LCM. There is a mistake, I think, in the question. I have written wrongly. Let me check it first. What is there? It should be positive, not negative. So it should be positive. Let me confirm from the book. Just a minute. There should be positive 1, positive 4, not there is negative. Okay, sorry, there is negative, so I will keep it negative. My mistake. So again, denominator are same, x minus 4 minus x minus 4. So what will be the LCM? X minus 4 minus 1. Denominator are same, then numerator will come as it is. So what is this? 4 minus 4 becomes 0 divided by x power 4 minus 1. We know that when in the denominator there is a 0, numerator, when there is in the numerator there is 0 and denominator maybe have any term, the result is 0. Thank you.